day.
Face! Hey, face!
You need help, Harvey. Give it up.
We need help. Have you looked in the mirror lately?
I tried to save you. Blame it on me. What's it saying?
Yes, insane, yes, but look at us. We have to hate somebody. There's only one way out of this waltz. Somebody dies.
I won't kill you.
Chuck, come on in. Batman doesn't kill. That's a good one. It's too good to be true. What's that lethal curl of the lip? What's that homicidal gleam in the eye? You're a killer too, and you know it. This time, have the good taste to die. See ya.